Hello everyone, welcome to Python Simplified. This video will discuss about input output in Python. We are going to discuss about output statements and escape sequences in Python and input statements in Python. So let us begin. First of all, we will discuss about how to give output in Python. The function name used to give output is print. The syntax of print is you will write print and then in the round brackets within double quotes you will write whatever string you want to print. For example, this is the example print, and in the round brackets within the double quotes you are writing string to display. Instead of double quotes you can also use single quotes. They both work same. Now there are certain points to remember. The first thing is whatever string you want to display, you must put it in double or single quotes. Suppose I want to display a variable's value. In that case, I will put it without double quotes. Always remember whatever things you are putting in double quotes that will be printed as it is, and whatever thing you are printing without double quote, that variable's value will be printed. And now let us try and execute this. Suppose I want to print, so I will write print and within double quotes I will write the string which I want to print. So I am writing this hello world. So how to download and install this editor I will let you know in the some other video. Now let us execute this. This editor is a PyCharm editor, so it has printed hello world. Okay. Now suppose I have a value which is a variable whose value is 125. Suppose I want to print its value, then I will write value of a is. Now whenever you want to print the value, you should print it without double quotes and you apply a comma after you end a string. So whenever you want to have a variable, you put a comma and then write that variable's name without double quotes. Executing this, it will print hello world, value of a is 124. Now I have an updated version of Python, so it is printing these brackets as it is. So in my version, if I don't put brackets, then also my program will work fine, and it will print hello world and value of a is 124. Suppose I want to print something else after this, so I will print it like this. So you again have to apply a comma after that variable name, and then in double quotes you can write some other string or some other variable name also. So value of a is 124 and then thank you. So over here it is printing the value of a and not a. Now let us move on to input statements in Python. So for input, the function name is input. What you write is input, and you write in double quotes you write the string to prompt the user for input. It is optional, you can simply write input also, but it is always a good practice to prompt the user what you are expecting. The function works in this way. You will write input, enter your name. So this was for older version. For newer version you will have to write raw input function. So raw input will input a string, and for numbers and for floating variables you can have to typecast it. So we will learn about them later on when we will understand the data types in Python. Now let us try input function. So in the same program I am writing, suppose I want to input a variable, so I will write it like this, int input, and in this I will write enter a number. Suppose I want to enter a number, so I will have to typecast it into integer. For now you can just remember this. Later on you will understand when you like when we will deal with data types. Suppose I want to print the entered value is, and after comma I will write I. Now let us execute this. Enter a number. Suppose I enter the number as 124. So it will print me the entered value is 124. Suppose I want to enter a name or a string. So instead of input, I will use the function raw input. So this editor is helping me to know that function. And here I will say enter your name. And in order to verify what the name somebody has entered, I will write hello and then name. So variable is name and I have printed hello. The variable name should print me hello, whatever name you have entered. So suppose I enter 124, it will print me the entered value is 124. It is asking me to print the name. I enter the name as Bob, then hello Bob. So this is how an input function works. Now let's get on to the escape sequences. So an escape sequence is basically used to format your output. Otherwise your output will look very plain whenever you are writing it. So they are the sequence of characters which are translated into some other character sequence which are difficult to represent directly. Suppose I want to have a new line or a tab space or double quotes in my print statement. So that is very difficult to, like, that is not possible to do without using these escape sequences. So here is a list of escape sequences in Python. A few of them are very simple. Someone who has already known a language would be aware of them. So the first escape sequence is /n, which will move the cursor to new line. Then /t, it is a horizontal tab. So whenever in your print statement you are giving /t, so automatically it will give a horizontal tab. Then there is /v, which will give a vertical tab. /r, which is similar to /n, which will do the carriage return. Then // it will help you print a slash. Otherwise whenever you are writing a slash, it will always think that it is an escape sequence. So if you want to have a slash printed in your output statement, you will write like //. When you want to print double or single quote, you will precede it by slash. So slash double quotes will print a double quote and slash single quote will print a single quote. Then these are some other which could work on your system, like /a will have a CPU bell, then /b is for backspace, /O is for octal characters, /xhh is for hexadecimal character, and /f is for form feed. Now let us try few of them. Okay, so I will come back to my program. I will try on each of them. So suppose I'm writing hello world. So this is my simple statement. It will print hello world. Now suppose I apply a /n after hello. Now look at the color of /n. Because it is an escape sequence, so it will have a different meaning in your program. So it will print hello world like this. Hello in one line and world in second line. It is leaving some space because I have left space after /n. Now suppose I apply /t over here. So what it will do, it will print hello as it is, then it will have a new line, then it will print w, then it will have a tab space, and then it will print ORLD. Okay, so hello, new line, w, then there was a /t, so it has given a horizontal tab space and WORLD. Now suppose I want to print 2 by or 10 by 5 is 2. So I want to print a division symbol. So it will print like this. Hello world 10 by 5. Okay, I have applied wrong slash. Okay. So it will print a slash. 10 by 5 is 2. So when you apply double slash, it will print the things in like it will print a single slash. Suppose I want to print hello in double quotes. So whenever you are trying this, suppose let me erase this statement. Whenever I am printing like this, it is printing hello without quotes. Suppose I want to have a double quote over here. So I will apply like this. It will have a double quote here and it will have a double quote after this also. If we run this, it will print hello in double quotes. Similarly, you can have single quotes also. So I have changed one of the double quotes to single quote. So hello. Okay. And in the similar way, you can have a vertical tab space also. So if you print like this, it will print the word. Okay. So this is how escape sequences work. In some version of Python, some escape sequences may not work, but these are all the list of escape sequences in Python. Okay. So this is all for this video. Next video, we will see data types in Python. Thank you very much for watching.